Section 1. You and a friend are looking for a place to live. You have a list of places and go to see the housing officer to check on a number of points. Listen to the conversation between your friend and the housing officer and complete the list. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6 on the housing list. You will see that there is an example which has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first. We're looking for somewhere to live and have this list, but there are 1 or 2 things we'd like to know about some of the places. Can you help?
Yes, of course. Oh, yes, you've got the right list there. What do you want to know?
Well, what about the one on Salisbury Road? We've got the number of rooms, and we know it's unfurnished, but how much is it a week?
Let me see. That one's £120 a week.
The accommodation in Salisbury Road costs £120 per week. So in the example, £120 has been written down in the price per week column for 82 Salisbury Road. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6. We're looking for somewhere to live, and I've got this list, but there are 1 or 2 things we'd like to know about some of the places. Can you help?
Yes, of course. Oh, yes, you've got the right list there. What do you want to know?
Well, what about the one on Salisbury Road? We've got the number of rooms, and we know it's unfurnished, but how much is it a week?
Let me see. That one's £120 a week.
Okay. And what about the one on Wickham Street? It looks quite central on the map, but it doesn't say how big it is or what the price is.
Oh, let me just check my files. I think it's quite a new one. Yes, it's got a double bedroom, sitting room, kitchen and bathroom. It's on the first floor of a very nice house, and the owner, Mrs. Jarvis, wants £90 a week.
That's a little expensive, but I think we could manage it. What about the rooms on Silwood Road? How many are there?
As it says on the list, there are 2 of them, and you have to share the kitchen and bathroom. But if you're friends, that shouldn't be a problem, should it?
No, we'd quite like to go and see them. Do you have a telephone number we could ring?
Oh, sorry, didn't we put it on the form? It's 742735. That's a Brighton number, of course. So that's 01273742735. It's a nice area, and it's near the railway station, which is an advantage.
Yes, we did want to be central.
The other one that's central is 164 Preston Road.
164 Preston Road. Oh, yes, I've got it.
It's quite cheap, too, only £68, and it's on the ground floor. You ought to go and see the rooms at Mrs. Tonk's in Harrow Road. They're very nice as well.
Sorry, what was her name? It's not on the form.
Oh, isn't it? It's Mrs. P. Tonks. That's Tonks.
Thanks for all your help. We'll try and go and see a few of them this week.